Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser settings. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through privacy settings of your Chrome browser and what you need to turn off and what exactly you need to turn on as far as your privacy and security settings is concerned in Chrome browser on your PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to privacy and security right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do here is to review your privacy settings right here. First thing first, you can walk through. You can check on your privacy guide right here. Click on privacy guide, then a guide of your privacy choice. So here, take a guide tour of key privacy and security control for more up points to go on including settings. So go ahead and hit on next right here. Then here, choose your search browsing history quality. Keep search and browse better. So make sure this is turned on right here. Then go ahead and click on next. And this synchronizes your browse history across your Google account each time you use different devices to browse, and the history is going to be synchronized to your Google account. Make sure this is turned on also and click on next. Then here, choose your safe browsing protection. Make sure you choose enhanced protection right here, and you are eligible to all these things right there. Make sure this is turned on also and click on next. Then here, allow third-party cookies right here. You can decide to block third-party cookies if you don't want other website to track your you can click on block third-party cookies right here and hit on next. Then here we go. Then review complete. Explore more settings below or finish now. Go ahead and hit on done. Now what we want to do next right here is to go to third-party cookies right here and to review. We have already blocked on that. Then right here we need to come down below right here under advanced settings right here. Send a do not track request with your browsing traffic site. Use their direction when responding to the request. So what you want to do right here is to make sure you turn off this particular button right here. You do not want other website you visit to track your history or monitoring your movement from each website you visit with your Google account. Make sure you turn off this. Then you can scroll down right here and site allowed to use the third-party cookies. If you would like some of the sites that you want them to have access to your browsing history and cookies, you can go ahead and click on add website right here. Then copy and paste the website URL right there and hit on add. And with that, those websites will be excluded from blocking the third-party cookies, so they can have access to your browse history as far as third-party cookies settings is concerned in privacy in Google browser. It's that simple. So basically, this is what I have for you as far as Chrome privacy and security settings is concerned in your Chrome browser on your PC. Let me know what you think about these privacy settings in the comment section down below. Until I see you in my next video, keep browsing with Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.